Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $365 that I plan on putting into my envelopes. First gonna start off in my wallet. I already figured that amount. I usually do the same thing every week. So this week spending will get 30, eating out 30, groceries 80, coffee 20, and then buffer 10. That's a total of 170 for my wallet. And then leftover money, of course, will be going into savings. Try not to overspend in those, or yeah, I try to have a little bit left over so I can put it into savings. All right, so that's 170 already gone from that. I want to focus on some priority envelopes. What are my priorities? I forgot what my priorities are right now. Okay, so okay, I always do extra savings a little bit more, so I'm going to do 10 in extra savings. Month ahead will get 10. Oh yeah, subscriptions. That was the one I was trying to remember. So subscriptions will get 10. I have a couple in here. Let's do... hold off on that one. I'm gonna do treat yourself 10. I'm really close to finishing paying myself back for a bag that I bought. So I think this month I'll be done finally with this. I went on that trip. When I was in Paris, I bought a bag from Louis Vuitton and I didn't have enough money to cover it from what I had already saved. So I bought it and used some savings money. And now I'm putting that money back into savings. So that's why that's a little bit of a priority for me right now. And honestly, that envelope will probably be a priority regardless, because I feel like it's important to treat yourself, make sure, you know, you're paying your bills, you're saving, but you're also living in the moment too. And, you know, get yourself something nice if that's what you like to do, or treat yourself to an experience. My family loves doing that kind of stuff, like going out to eat or just going places together. I feel like that's important. Okay, so auto... I think a lot of these envelopes are just going to get $5. I like to put $5 in envelopes, at least $5 in envelopes. So, auto will get 5. Electronics will get 5. Emergency will get 5. Extra savings. Furniture will get 5. Already did that one. Rainy day. We'll get 5. Registration, we'll get 5. Road trip. Actually, I'm gonna put 10 in road trip. Scentsy will get 5. Already did subscriptions, and travel will get 5. All right. 105 left. See if I could do this. This, I'm not putting money towards Go Wild anymore. So that one will stay as it is. Disneyland, I want to put 10 in Disneyland. Tires will get 5. Did that one. Fun will get 5. Hobbies, 5. Christmas, oh yeah, Christmas is a priority. I forgot about that. That's getting 10. Holiday decor, 5. So I plan on going to Disneyland tomorrow with my family, and I plan on taking this envelope, Disneyland, that'll have 21 once I stuff it. Fun, I'm gonna use that at Disneyland too, and then family, since I am going with my family. Yeah, I'm going with my family, so I can combine those 3 envelopes to use at the parks. My niece is coming with us, my brother's daughter, so my sister and I are gonna, you know, obviously pay for all her food and different things, whatever she wants. And I plan on using that to help me do that stuff. Okay, so beauty is gonna get 5. Clothing, 5. Costco, nothing in Costco this week. I don't plan on going. Okay, but it will get leftover money. I actually have leftover money in here. I just haven't put the money back in my envelope, but it's in my purse. Family. Okay, I have 60 in family. I'm gonna put 10 in here. Gifts will get 5. I'm running low on money. Okay. Home will get 5. Household will get 5. Target will get 5. Ooh, I messed up. Okay, I have to recount this because I did something and I messed up my total. I'm at $35. I have my 100 envelope, which I actually forgot to grab. Okay, 100 envelope. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna do 5. If I have leftover money in my wallet, I'll use it in here. But I do have 5 open. I always have 5 open. So I'll just do 5, plan for 5, and then hopefully be able to do more. I have cash dash 1. I think I can do 10 in this one. So I'll do 10 in this one. Okay, I have cash dash 2, which is this one right here. That's gonna get 5. Oh, I forgot to roll. I forgot to roll the dice. Oh, okay. So we'll see. Hopefully I don't go over because, yikes. Okay, can't do that much. All right, let's see. I'm gonna roll twice. I should have done this at the beginning. I usually do it at the beginning and I didn't. Oops. Okay. So I'm gonna roll twice on this one. All right, I got 1 and 5, which is the candy apple. That's $2. And then 4 and 6. 4. Of course. Okay. Of course I get the 10. I got the treat. How exciting. Wow. Okay, 12. 12 it is. That doesn't leave me much with my list. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna make it up in my wallet with leftover money. Okay, so that one gets 12. I have $3 left. All right, well, I guess $3 it is for the $10 challenge. Oh, I don't have a $5 challenge. Why did I write that? And the $1 challenge. That's okay. Like I said, I will have leftover money in here somewhere. I'm sure of it. And then it'll go towards this. If I don't fill anything out, it's fine too. It is always my goal to try to get something into each of these. We'll make it happen on my cash stuffing. But for now, only $3 is gonna go towards probably the $10 one. Hopefully I have $7 left over in my wallet. I can put that towards this one and then be able to bump that up a little bit more. We shall see. Okay, so at least all of these got what I needed to get. And then now I'm just gonna count the tallies. So, or denominations, figure out the denominations for this. So we have 5, lots of 5s, 10, 10, 5, 10, 5, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 5, 10, 5, 5, 5, then a 10, a few 5s here, and a 10, 5, 12 for here for the snacks, 2 of those, and then 3. Okay, now I'm gonna count them. So 50s, I need 1, 20s, 3, 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 5s, and then 1s, 5, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's see if I did this right. So 50 times 1 is 50. And then I have 20 times 3 is 60. 10 times 15 is 150. 5 times 21 is 105. And then 10. 50, 60, 150, 105, 10. Oh no, I messed up somewhere. No. 21 times 5. No. 50, 60, 150, 105, 10. Oh no, I must have put a tally in the wrong spot. I hope that's what I did because I don't want this to be over. 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 5, 10, 5's 10. Maybe I didn't calculate this right the first time. 12 and 3. I don't know what I did. That's a bummer. Ay. Okay, I guess I didn't calculate this right. 5, 10, 15, 170, 15, 10, 5, 10. Oh no, I'm losing my spot. Hold on. I usually use this to help me. Okay, 170, 15, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, another 10, 5, 10, 15, then 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 10, 5. Oh yeah, I totally messed up. Oh, you know what? I don't want to change anything. We're gonna plan for 375. I'm gonna throw an extra 10 in there because I don't want to change anything. I'm already, like, it's already tight as it is, so it's fine. I don't normally do that, but I kind of want the numbers as they are just because that's what I want. So make that little adjustment and it's fine. Okay, now it's right. I made that little adjustment. I actually need to put this in here. Okay. Hey. All right. Let me put this back in here. Calculated it wrong. And I didn't do my double check after. I just went thinking I did it right the first time. So that's on me. That's my bad. All right, so let's write down what I need. So I'm gonna ask for 150. For 20s, I need 3 of those. $60. 10s, 15, 150. 5s, 21 of those. That is 105. And then 1s, 10. $10. And that's a total of $375. Okay, so that is it. That is gonna be my cash stuff or cash planning for the week. I'll put this in here so don't forget it. And then I'll go to the bank and grab that money so I can cash stuff for the week. Okay, so that's it. Hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one.